Have a look at what just arrived. Here's a quick glance at the new Supersonic Blue Orange Trim Masters Series KMP1022AZCE. Let's start unboxing, cutting the plastic straps off of the pallet. Removing the protective corner cardboard. The cardboard for the overall box is perforated, so it can allow me to easily tear it off. Let me speed up the video while I install the drawer liners and top mat. Taking the pallet bolts off. Let's unlock those casters. This little monster weighs in at roughly 700 pounds, and if everything goes right, she rolls easily off of the pallet. A power drawer is included. This little beauty could be yours for only $49.57 per week with qualified Snap-on credit. Right now is the perfect time to upgrade and/or expand your tool storage. Give me the opportunity to see how I can make it happen for you.